I love machining. I think the machining industry has some amazing technology, and what we can do is just a lot of fun. So I like gathering guys that share that same passion. My name is Brian Godbout, and I'm the president and owner of Solid Machine. We make any type of part that needs to be machined for a variety of different applications. So that machine is a Boston Digital 405 and can do simultaneous 5-axis machining. We receive customer data. From that data, we create a 3D model from which we are then able to generate tool paths that are then put into G-code, and then the machines are able to understand that code and cut the parts. We have lathes that have chuck sizes that range from 6-inch to 16-inch. We can machine different types of plastics as well as different types of metals like aluminum, stainless steel, Inconel, Hastelloy, titanium. We're continually monitoring our production process to make sure that all our parts are 100%. I worked 12 years at TurboCam, and that's where I learned all about machining. I learned about company culture, work ethic.
Brian does very well because he's willing to bring us what we need on time, take the risks necessary to invest both in equipment and in inventory, and invest in training the people that he needs to do the job. So we get excellent work from Brian, and he has a great team that he has put together.
In our production runs, we attempt to try to take the margin that the customer gives us for tolerance, and we shrink that down to a fraction of that. So for example, we have an 8/10 tolerance on a hub. We'll try to hold plus or minus 2/10 on that hub all day to make sure that our process is right where we need it. We're good at understanding our customers and knowing what our customer needs and being able to give them what they want when they want it. Solid Machine is good at establishing good quality processes. Good quality processes make good quality parts.